In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Apple Music plan. We will walk through it slowly so you can follow along on your own phone without getting lost. First, launch Apple Music on your mobile. Look for the white icon with a multicolor music note, then tap it once. When it opens, you should land on your Listen Now or Browse tab, showing albums, playlists, or recommendations. If Apple Music asks you to sign in with your Apple ID, do that using your usual account so it can find your current subscription. Once the main Apple Music screen is visible, you are ready for the next step. Now, click on the three-dot icon. You will usually find these three small dots at the top right corner of the Apple Music screen. On some layouts, it may sit near your profile picture or next to the search option. Tap it once, and a menu will slide up or drop down with several options related to your account and settings. This confirms you opened the correct menu. From there, click Account. In the menu that appeared, look for the word Account and select it. After you tap Account, Apple Music will open a screen with your name or Apple ID at the top. Below that you may see options like Manage Your Profile or View Your Purchases. This page is where Apple Music keeps your personal settings tied to this Apple ID, so any change here will apply to all your devices using the same account. Next up, tap Manage Subscription. On the account page, scroll if needed until you see Manage Subscription and then tap it. Apple Music will switch to a subscription details screen. Here you can see your current plan, such as individual, family, or student, and the renewal date. You may also see a note about trials or billing through your Apple ID balance. This page updates in real time, so when you change something, it applies to your Apple Music access automatically on this account. At this point, tap one of the plans available and follow the prompts including choosing the payment method, then click Subscribe. On the subscription screen, review the list of available plans and tap the one that matches what you want, for example a lower cost plan or a family upgrade. After you tap a plan, Apple Music will guide you through a short set of prompts. These can include confirming the billing amount per month, checking if you are switching at the next renewal date, and picking or confirming your payment method, such as the card or balance already saved to your Apple ID. If your region requires it, you might see a small summary that lists tax, total cost per month, and when the new plan will start. Follow each prompt carefully and read the text so you know exactly what you are agreeing to before you continue. When you are satisfied, click Subscribe, and you may be asked to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. After that, a brief confirmation will appear, and your Apple Music plan is now updated for your account. You have now successfully changed your Apple Music plan right from your phone, so if this helped you adjust your subscription, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Apple tips.